Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be discussing on how to unlink a Faceit account from Steam, guys. So, okay, look, I'm going to answer the question first, if you can actually unlink a Faceit account from Steam. So let's break it down, okay, and explore the options. So first things first, guys, unlinking, Faceit account from Steam is not actually possible, okay? Because look, once a Faceit account is linked to a Steam profile, right? It's permanently connected, okay? This is due to Faceit's policy of basically preventing players from linking multiple accounts to the same Steam profile. What this does, guys, is it helps maintain fair play and, avoid smurfing in their competitive ecosystem. So if you're actually hoping to, switch to a new Faceit account or link your Steam to another one, guys, here's the bad news. You can't directly unlink it, but guys, there's actually a potential workaround depending on your situation. So option one is, if you're trying to move to a new Faceit account, you'll actually need a new Steam profile. So you want to do, guys, you want to create a new Steam account, all right, and link it to the new Faceit account. Just keep in mind that this means you lose access to your games and progress from your original Steam account unless you purchase the games again. And option two is, guys, if you have linked the wrong Steam profile or you need help with your existing account, you can actually contact, Faceit support, and they may actually, assist in, exceptional cases, like if there was a mistake during the linking process. However, guys, unlinking due to personal preferences is unlikely to be granted. So to actually avoid complications, always double check with Steam account you're linking when setting up Faceit, and that's the reality of basically unlinking a Faceit account from Steam, guys. If you found this explanation helpful, guys, don't forget to like, comment. Of course, guys, make sure you subscribe to Ninja Guides for more helpful tips and tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.